Technology in today's vehicles is so high tech that it requires recalibration so that the vehicles understand where they're going so that the systems work properly. And without some training, a lot of technicians are really scared of these systems, but they're actually relatively simple once you understand them. Training is the only way you can keep up with technology. OEM certifications are becoming more and more important in today's world because the technology in the vehicles, it's not just the ADAS systems, but the way the vehicles are built, the high-strength steels and so on, they're slightly different from manufacturer to manufacturer. It's not all the same. So by being certified with each vehicle maker, that gives the consumer confidence in your facility. By having our entire network certified by the OEMs gives confidence in the entire network that we are trained and equipped for today's vehicles. We have the advantage, being a large group, of having our own training facility. So that gives us the ability to be nimble and train on the latest technology, as well as training new entrants into the trade and training on process improvement for the shops. There's a lot of emphasis on process, not just repairing the car, but knowing how to get the car through the facility in the quickest way possible.